Hey there, I'm Celia, a French freelance illustrator and full-time designer. Welcome in this new video. Today we are doing something a bit different because I will try to draw on a fake leather bag to turn it from a basic black clutch to something a bit more colorful and original. I never tried to draw on fake leather, so I don't know how it's going to turn out or if it's going to be durable. But we like to experiment here, so let's try it out. I did some quick researches on my sketchbook for the concept that I wanted to try out. Instead of covering all the fake leather with paint, I wanted to play with negative space to create my design. And I went for a design not too complex, but something that I like a lot, a snake. Once the idea is clear, I'm creating a file on Procreate on my iPad, matching the proportions of the bag. And I'm doing some tests to define more precisely how the design will look. Then I used a pencil to trace the design onto the bag. And I'm starting to do the outlines with my Posca markers. I choose my favorite color palette, yellow, pink, purple, orange and a bit of flashy blue. I'm doing the outside of each shape before filling them. Once the paint is dry, it's really hard to remove it, so I have to be really careful to not mess up. To avoid shaking lines, I'm tracing them slowly to have better control on my lining process. Even if I did some color tests on my iPad, I'm still not 100% sure of the colors that I want to use. And there is a huge difference between the colors. Sometimes with one coat it's almost perfect, but for some colors I will need multiple coats to obtain a flat and uniform color. But so far I'm really enjoying the process. I feel like I used a lot of paint because some of my Posca are running out of ink, but it was worth it. And there is the result. I'm really happy with how it turned out. I was super afraid for it to be a disaster, but I really love the color blocking. It's giving a lot of Mondrian vibes, and I definitely want to play more with the negative space. Thank you so much for watching and doing this little test with me, and I'll see you soon. Bye!